Hey, I'm Ron from Kolleno, your go-to platform for accounts receivable management integrated with NetSuite. Today, let's dive into the AR aging detail report in NetSuite. The report is customizable and can be a valuable tool for prioritizing collection efforts, including identifying overdue accounts and managing your cash flow effectively. Before I show you, very quick note that if you want your report to include information about, for example, your notes, the communications sent to and received from your customers, Kolleno can help you bring a lot of additional information from your other financial systems, keeping NetSuite as the main source of truth. So I go in Reports, Customer Receivables, AR Aging, Detail. Quick tip, if the consolidated payments feature is enabled, the report shows unconsolidated balances for sub-customers and consolidated totals for customer-sub-customer relationships. Before, some important considerations to keep in mind. If you're finding this tutorial helpful, please do not forget to subscribe to this channel. So 2 comments. The first is that debit and credit journal entries against identical accounts for the same entity do not impact the general ledger and therefore do not appear in this report. Second, use the AR aging detail report to identify where your collection efforts should be focused, as overdue accounts can negatively impact your company's cash flow. That's it. With the AR aging detail report, you can stay on top of your accounts receivable, prioritize collections, and manage your cash flow efficiently. Don't forget to like this video and check the comments for more tips and insights. Bye bye.